Texting you, you're not replying. I asked you to FaceTime me. So I'm saying, are you mad? Are you mad? Are you mad? Are you mad? What is this?
If I had an Android, I would buy an iPhone 10 just so I could FaceTime you. I've been in this too late. I've been trying to get this bread. That's why I couldn't make time, boo.
Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first video on YouTube and it's going to be a prank on my mom, as you can see by the title. I'm here with a special guest. Introduce yourself.
My like Abs.
So basically, yeah, we're going to be doing a smoking weed prank and drinking alcohol, and we're going to roll some fake weed things. So let me show you guys when we're going to do that. So that
It'll look like it's a gram or something. We'll just leave this line on the table. This one, yeah, we're gonna put it like in paper, like skin or something.
we're going to have to like hotbox the house and
Yeah,
make it smell.
Make it smell.
The mill in this, and then after he put basil in that paper thingy, and then we tried to put fluffy socks on the fire alarm, but it didn't work, so we're probably just gonna open the windows or something. So he's doing that. I did this stupid shit, and all we have to do now is organize where we're going to put the cameras and wait for my mom to come back, play some music. The vibe is we're going to blast music here. She's going to come in and my brother's going to instigate it. So I told my brother there. We're scared. My heart is beating. Drunk. She's here.
Energy change when man comes in.
I'm shitting.
I'm so fucking scared. My heart is beating. This won't answer me to act like I'm fast or drunk. So go upstairs.
How do you know what weed smells like? I don't know, my hands are shaking.
2,000 years later.
She's coming.
Okay, whipping the bitch, she live in LA. Trying to thank God, but don't move 20 wagon. Then you see me after you get too close, they go BBB.
It's back. Yes, I'm back. Come mommy.
Yo, Drake, I've been calling you. I've been texting you. You're not replying. I asked you to FaceTime me. So I'm sending you this video so you can feel my passion and my pain. We have to shoot the pop star video.
Yo, Drake, you know that emoji with the smoke coming out the nose? That's how I feel. I feel like that emoji. And then let's shoot the motherfucking video shoot. And then after the video shoot, we should go live at 11 o'clock on my IG live. So I got you framed up all over the crib.
So I need your seriously. I do. Oh yeah, my friend, we need to go on with that. Oh yeah, with that. Stop calling my child. Are you out of your brain? Said. Oh, seriously. Yeah, I can't find passport.
Cigarette. What's that? What's that?
What are they doing? What are they doing?
Oh, ah! Mommy, what do you smoking no? This smells like weed, though. What's that?
Baby, let's go, dear. I'm really fine, no.
Mommy!
Eh?
I think... What's this? What is that, though?
Seriously. Seriously, I'm going to tell you what you.
Oh, baby.
Smell this weed though. What is this? Wait, that smells like weed though. This is smelling like weed. Smell it. No, this is smelling like weed. I know how.
Don't touch it.
Give me. Oh, it's smelling. It smells like weed though. Smell that. It smells like weed, the proper weed though. I don't know. You don't know how weed smells like. But you don't know how weed smells like. This smells like weed.
Shut up and you know it.
But then you don't know. Just call daddy. Man, this is happening.
I don't die. I fly.
No, I didn't know.
You know, Toiba, the Taofiqat drank, yeah. And she gave you
What time?
water.
Yes. What time? What time?
I'll do that on Belole. I want to do Belole.
I smell it though. You know how weed smells like?
Sorry.
Smell it.
Why it's a one taking name of right on?
It smells like we smell. Look, I'm not in a prank. If it's a prank, I don't know. Smell it, man. Just smell it. See, cannot tell me this smells like weed.
I'm going to sleep.
You don't tell me this smells like weed.
I will slap you. Are you mad? Are you mad? Are you mad? Are you mad? Are you mad?
Okay, well, let's see shit. Let's see, yeah, that. Mo fẹ́ gbé mi báàgì wo ilé ìsinmi ṣe fún mi. Ọmọ mi ò ní mu tí kò ní mu ọ̀pẹ́ nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ lè ṣerú ẹ̀ lé ẹ̀mọ ewu lẹ́nu. Kì í ṣerú lẹ́nu. Ẹ bá tẹ̀ fẹ́ mu ẹ lọ mú ta. Bá mú kọ̀pù yẹn lẹ̀.
Tell your father.
Lẹ́yìn ọmọ mi. Lẹ́yìn ọmọ mi.
Man, you don't like this smells like weed. Do you not see the weed though?
Àtúnṣe máa gbẹ lọ lé àbí wà ní sílẹ̀. Ọ̀kadà náà mi
Why are you not?
How can you do that in my own house?
Auntie, how can you not?
Why do you not care?
Because I know that you can't do that on this house. If it's somebody's house.
You guys, prank failed.
Ṣé máa gbẹ lọ sílé?
Prank fucking failed. Say hi, guys. Hi, guys.
It's weed, gidi o.
No, it's not. It was basil.
Ẹ ti fún mi ní àtàtà kan.
I should go, man.
Shit.
Basil. Well, prank failed, but if you want another one, make sure you get this too.
Don't forget to subscribe to YDC.
Yeah, and I'll put his socials in the bio. Period. This is the next morning. So because yesterday's prank failed, I'm gonna do another prank, and it's basically I'm gonna put fake blood in my mouth and cough it out and see where it goes and see her reaction.
Are you know you mind them? Are you know you mind them?
Where do you think I did?
what's wrong.
Eh? If you hear me, if you talk facing me, your breathing, you can't breathe very well again. Breathing, can you hear me? Now we're looking into it, you must suffer. One of our looking here. Oh no, affected, oh, affected me, that's no bossita. I was in Josibe for a long time. Now we're going to try to eat. Check that alone for any. When then? Taofiqa, are you sure? Are you sure you are bleeding? Taofiqa, you are not serious. Oh, seriously.
I'm not messing. How can I get bleed blood? I'm just laughing because you were laughing at me.
I have to call doctor now, Taofiqa. Saeed.
But that cannot be from the smoke.
It's funny, Taofiqa. Why do you do this kind of prank? Are you still pranking me this morning?
No!
Because I will not trust you when something wrong with you. Come and see Taofiqa again. Oh, I'm quite getting money.
I don't know if this is a prank.
Is this a prank again, Taofiqa?
No!
You have to go and call doctor. How much mama quite getting?
I think it's from the thing that we were inhaling yesterday.
Did I see you on the bed? I've not seen you do anything.
I have to call doctor now. Let's go to hospital.
Do they let you go straight away?
I'm taking you to Temple Street. Sorry, what it cost for me now, Taofiqa? Because of prank.
Check everywhere. This is a prank. I don't know if this is a prank.
Is this a prank?
No, I'm shaking.
I sit down then. Taofiqa, go and bring milk for me.
Which type of milk?
Fresh milk.
I don't know. How can I puke blood because of basil?
You can. Because you tell me about me, Taofiqa. Yeah, let's go. Go and wear your shoe.
We bring milk first. I'll go get my shoe. Wait, let me just wait my water. Bring milk. Where's the milk?
Where is the cup?
Where's the cup?
Let me use that cup.
Okay. It's your blood, kitty.
What do you mean?
Your blood will want in it, Taofiqa. Don't prank me again, Taofiqa.
That's not the blood.
Yes, that's why I'm afraid.
Blood is usually darker.
You know, do this and
What did you do this morning?
I woke up and then my chest started feeling sore. And then what's it called? I got up, but like I didn't know. I came to your room because I just came to you. I just woke up and I came to your room and you weren't there, so I was like, okay. Then you came.
I don't know now, Taofiqa. Don't even go affect your camera. Camera, don't you?
I never knew.
You ruined my yesterday's prank and you made it fail, so I had to do another one on you.
If anything happens to you again, I'll not look after you. You are pranking me. This is the second time today.
Because yesterday you flopped it, so I had to do it again.
So must it prank me?
Yes. Okay, guys, make sure you like and subscribe to get more pranks on my mom. Go follow me on Instagram, Snapchat.
I don't wanna play no games, play no games.